I have in front of me a carbon monoxide and a smoke alarm set. This is available with low cost delivery directly here from freetv.ie. And we went with a brand name set here, so Mercury. And the reason we chose them is they're quite a famous brand, good quality, and you can be sure to be fully compliant with all the CE and BS standards you need to comply with. So we'll talk first of all about the smoke detector here. So if we look at the thing here, it's photoelectric smoke detector, and it comes as follows. There's a back unit here, and it comes with a 9-volt battery. Simply sits in here, and it's just plastic coated now, but you clip it in directly when you're ready to install it. So when you're using these units here, you'll obviously mount it on a ceiling, whatever like that, and you'd use these plugs and screws to do it by just mounting the base first of all and putting this in and rotating it into position. So what would, in the general terms, in terms of the price points that smoke detectors are going to come at, the two ways they are, there's the mains power with a battery backup, or you just have a purely battery operated one. The battery ones are a lot cheaper and a lot easier to install. You don't need an electrician, etc. And it's relatively easy to check them, because once the battery is there, you can press this down and you can just wait for the beep and you know that the battery is there. So it's a very easy testing mechanism on it. So that's very, very straightforward. The carbon monoxide one is, this is a lot more popular now, particularly when people have solid fuel burners, things like that, because what you're looking for is a build-up of carbon monoxide. So this is measuring ppms, so it's just measuring the particle rates, and it obviously when it detects this, the rate right now is 000, but once it goes above a certain level, it'll sound off, and it's quite a boom on this actual thing. Maybe towards the very end of the video, I'm actually going to boom this. We'll kill it at the end, because I'm afraid a lot of people tune out if you hear how loud it is initially. What we'll do here is, on the back here, this is what's mounted on the wall. We just screw it in with 2 plugs and 2 screws. There's 3 AA batteries that come with it, and what we do here at this point is we would these would come plastic coated, so they're obviously not using enough power, and then when you get them, you just take them out, take out the plastic coating, and off it goes. So the 2 things it's displaying on the front is ppms and the temperature there. So you can actually tell it's working purely by the fact that it's giving a display here. We know the batteries thinks it is. So it's available. It's part of a much wider range of smoke detectors and other things that are found within the electrical section on freetv.ie. Low cost shipping on it, and like a foghorn on the way out here, we'll just press this in and we'll just end with this. It'll actually do this 3 times, okay?